Greetings everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing about how to feature a post on LinkedIn. So before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencers that will teach you exactly how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now coming back onto the video. Alright, so what you need to do is simply head over to your profile from the top left side of your screen. Click on your profile title or your name. Then you need to scroll a little bit down until you can see your post section. So the post that you have already made should be appear on your profile. As you can see in here, I have already added a featured item. Now below you can see the post, so click on post, and or you can also click on show all posts. Then your post will be opened up. What you need to do is simply click on these three dots on the top right side of your screen, and here you will be able to see that we have this option feature on top of your profile. So once you click on this, it will be added in the feature as I simply show you at the beginning. So that's how simply you can add your items or posts to featured list. Now before we end this video, do not forget to get your 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.